enjoying it.
Thank you so much.
So she said you're the only person she can trust. That is why I brought her here, for you to take care of her.
It's okay, I can take care of her. But the thing is that she has to be living with me in my house, so that every morning, whenever I'm coming out to this bar, I will always come out with her.
Okay.
I promise no harm will ever come to her.
That's fine. But my only concern is... that foolish boy, does he come here to drink?
Yes, he does. But I have never been scared of him. And he knows that.
Okay.
So, there's nothing for you to worry about.
Okay, I hope so. You know, I'm not only going to Lagos to buy some work materials. I'm also going to see a doctor friend of mine who's an optician. Yeah, so we're trying to see ways to help Ujuka, you know, restore her sight.
Huh? You mean she still have the chance of seeing again?
Yes.
Hey.
Because she wasn't born blind.
Oh, I'm so happy. Her parents will also be happy in their grave if you can do it.
Well, I believe God. I believe God is in control. We're only going to try our best, but I know God is in control.
Amen.
Yes.
Amen. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So, when are you leaving?
I'll be leaving today, actually.
Okay.
Right. Ujuka, are you fine with everything we talked about?
Yes, I am.
You're comfortable with him?
Yes, I am.
Are you sure?
We went to his building site and the workers said he left to the city, but will still come back.
You know, this would have been the best opportunity to kill this bastard. We stay this guy or Gairu. But I fear the back in one Maria.
Galonji, calm down, eh? He will still be back. Cities, he's not Azolo. He will come back now. He will come back and face his death. It has already been signed by Ministry of Death and my signature there. Otago, relax.
Whichever way, the most important thing now is that my Ujuka is home alone. Yota. So I'll leave you guys now. Go see her. Possibly spend the night there, you know, because my babe won't be lonely when I'm around. Akweyota.
I'm sorry, we forgot to mention that she's now staying with Amadi.
Ama what?
Amadi the palm wine seller.
How can which day that one starts? Eh?
One night,
No, wait. Which day that one starts now? Is Amadi related to Ujuka in any way? What is bringing Amadi? What's in carry Ujuka even they go to stay with Amadi? Okay, wait. Ujuka works in Amadi's bar or lives with Amadi. For what now? No, for what now? For what? What did they bring that one now? Is Amadi related to Ujuka? What is all this? Which one is Amadi again? Amadi has beaten more than he can chew. See that Amadi?
Oh, baby! Welcome.
Hey. What are you doing here?
I came to spend the weekend with you.
You came to do what?
Spend the weekend with you.
You came to spend the weekend with me.
Yes.
Who did you call before coming here? Who did you call before coming to my house?
I tried calling you, but to no avail.
You tried to call me.
Yes.
Tina, I told you I had some projects to take care of, right? Listen, I just came to rest and I'm back there tomorrow morning.
I mean, you mean you're not spending the weekend with me?
I just said I came home to rest and I'm going back first thing tomorrow morning. Please, I need to take a shower.
Okay, I'll just make you a meal.
What did you say? You
I'll
do what?
Make you a meal.
Did I tell you I was hungry? Did I tell you I was hungry? Please leave my house. First thing in the morning.
What's wrong with him? What's going on?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get you in the mood.
You have to stop. My mind is troubled. I'm not cut out for all of that right now.
Why?
Okay, so I'm a little bit frustrated, okay? My business is going down. Things are not working like I want them to. And it's costing me a lot, so, yeah.
Okay, I get it. I'm so sorry about that. But you just have to calm down and re-strategize.
Re-strategize? I was trying to do that, but you keep distracting me.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Just that I was trying to do my girlfriend duty.
Tina.
Yep.
I understand you care about me.
Okay.
Okay. I do too. But this is not the right time to do all of this. I'm not fit mentally for all of this because I told you about my business. Besides, I feel like we're rushing things. Honestly, I feel like there's nothing between us right now. We need to take things easy, one step at a time, go slow and steady, and work things out to ensure that no one gets hurt. Okay, one step at a time, please. Please. Okay.
Where are you going to? Where are you going to?
You're supposed to be sleeping by now. It's already late.
You know, I can't tell the difference between day and night. How dark is the night?
Very dark, especially by this time.
The crickets, aren't they going to sleep?
there is moon outside, and you know, crickets don't sleep at night till morning. Let's go inside so that you can rest your bones.
Mr. Mardi, thank you. Thank you for accepting me into your home. Though it is risky, but you summoned courage to protect me. Thank you once again, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. But I want to let you know that I am not scared of that idiot called Longinus, and I will never be. If he thinks that he's man enough, let him come to my house, and I will make do the promise of sending him to his grave.
About Mr. Eric, the engineer, have you heard anything from him? Did he tell you when he will be back?
Not really, but I don't think he's going to stay long in the city, because I know quite sure that he has a project here in the village, and I believe by now his workers must have been waiting for him.
Okay, sir. I don't feel sleepy yet. Let me keep listening to the crickets.
Bah, I can't be sleeping on the same bed with her. It's better I sleep here than sleeping with her. She is so irresistible and reminds me of my feelings for her, which I am trying to delete. I can't take advantage of her. She's now like a family to me. But still, I can't deny the fact that she's pretty and sexy. No man can resist her beauty. No man.
Mr. Eric, she stands a better chance of surviving this surgery if she was not blind from birth.
Oh, right.
But all the same, I am going to assess her first and know the next step forward.
Okay. Thank you, doctor. You know, I wanted to consult with you first before bringing her over, but I'll do that as soon as possible. I'll bring her over.
This closeness, there must be something to it. There must be an interest.
Doctor, you're actually right. She's so special to me. And I made her a promise that I'll speak to a doctor friend of mine who would do everything in his power to ensure that her sight is restored. And that's why I'm here.
It's all right. We are going to do our best and leave the rest for God.
No problem, sir.
God has it for the final fate.
That's fine. Thank you so much, doctor. I'll bring her over.
It's okay.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. All right.
She's in safe hands.
No problem. Thank you.
All right.
Whatever you sow
Amadi, why are you staring at me?
How do you know I was staring at you?
I may be blind, but I can feel, and my sensitivity is...
Well, you're right. I was staring at you.
But why though? Am I not properly dressed?
No, you're properly dressed. It's just that I'm wondering the way you were able to get some good clothes from your bag, and the way you dressed very well.
My brother was the one who dressed me up those days, but now...
I understand. Just like I said before, I was actually wondering how you were able to dress yourself properly like this.
I hope you are not exaggerating.
No. I'm not. I'm saying the truth.
Okay. Is there something I should know?
Something like what? I don't, no.
Never mind. Let's go to your shop. Your customers will be waiting.
Okay. This way. Just this way. I know you're very intelligent, and I know that you know what is going on around you, despite the fact that you're not with your side. I have been having feelings for you for some time now, but I couldn't say it because I don't know how you will feel. I don't know how you're going to take it. And I was so surprised the other day when your brother Ugonna told me that you are now dating the engineer. Then I now noticed that I would have told you about my feelings. I regretted it actually, but I just decided to take you as a family.
You should have said this a long time. I mean, earlier before now. I am already dating.
I know. I goofed, but it's okay.
I can leave your house if my presence is hurting your feelings.
No, please. You don't have to say that. Don't say that at all, please. I have deleted the feelings I had for you. I have deleted the feelings. I have now taken you as a family. Okay? Please, never you open your mouth and say that you want to leave my house. In fact, I have beginning to like the engineer. He seems like a good man. Alright? It's okay. And I promise that I will protect you. No harm will ever come to you. Okay?
Longi, emereki eme. Onyo biojo, emereki eme. Sosaharura na juru yobi, emereki eme. Echiche ya nine bi hojo, emereki eme.
I'm sorry. I smell danger.
Danger?
Yes, I know that smell. I smell someone with an awful smell.
It's Longinus. It's Longinus and he's here with a gun.
Eh? Let's run away.
Come on. No.
Let's run away. Let's run away. Let's...
Calm down. Come.
He's coming with a gun.
Come. Let me take you somewhere and hide you. Okay? Then I'll face him. It's okay. No.
Let's run.
Easy. Amadi! Shh. What do you want? What are you doing in my bar?
Amadi, na me you dey raise shoulder for. Amadi, Longinus they stand before you, you dey raise shoulder. Hey, Amadi, what thing they give you morale, sef? No, wait. For this village, what thing they give you morale? Where Longinus dey? I been a small money where they make from your pepper soup and pamina. I make you the what for me. Amadi, I no one get problem with you. I go shoot you. Amadi, I go lie to you.
Person, we won't shoot person. No, they talk too much. If you want to shoot me, shoot me. If you don't say you be man, if you're man enough, shoot me. Now me there here, shoot me.
Go get my woman now.
You shut up. What will you do? What will you do if I don't get your woman? What is wrong with you? You think you can enter here with your gun to threaten me? Huh? Is that what you think?
Amadi, you don't dey bugana, abi? You don't dey bugana. See, highest na 3 days for police cell. Man, I'm light. I get phone on him now. Go get my woman. I go shoot you.
Shoot me.
Amadi, I will shoot you.
Shoot me.
Amadi, I will shoot you.
If you're man enough, shoot me. Bomb the way. Never bomb the way. Bomb ya. Bomb ya. Get up, wala. I'm not the man enough. Piabu the way.
Amadi, if you are the back end, I will forgive you today.
Okay, snatch up on poor. Snatch up on pocket out from my shop, Biko.
Amadi, I will come back for you. And when I come back, Amadi, Amadi, Amadi,
snatch up on poor.
Amadi, if I come back for you, and you don't provide my girl, Amadi, you got photo again.
I said, get memoria. Come look at snatch up on poor, Biko. If rock all day.
It is high time I left you. I have endangered your life too much. Let me go and face my fears. Please.
He will get what he wants if I let you go.
So be it. I don't care if he has me for breakfast, lunch or dinner. I don't care. I can't keep running. I can't keep living in constant fears because of him. He can have my carcass if that's going to make him sleep well at night or have his peace.
It's okay, enough. Stop saying this. Stop. I will never let you go. I will never ever let you go. Just stop saying this.
Can't you see? He will kill you. He will kill you if you don't let me go.
Juka, when will he understand that I am never scared of Longinus? I am not scared of him. Besides, I promised engineer that I am going to take very good care of you. And I am keeping to that promise.
Talking about the engineer. He's refused to come back. Why is he not back? Why?
Who knows what's keeping him? Who knows what's holding him there? But let's just pray and hope that he comes back soon. Okay? Listen, nothing will happen to you. No harm will ever come to you. Okay?
But he promised. He promised. He promised he will stay for too long. I'm actually worried about him. I am sick worried.
Ijua, ewo Ijua, Ijua fugomike. Ijua, ewo Ijua, Ijua fugomike. Oh God, where are you? Chim ebekino. Life is so harsh on me, oh. Whatever you sow, that you must reap.
Una dey joke now, Abi. I'm sure both of you are joking.
Mother is joking now. He now has a gun. Yeah?
You mean he has a gun now, or he still possesses his grandfather, big great-grandfather's then gun? Which one?
Oga
then gun.
Galonji gun na gun. So far, say 50 person.
Shut up. There is some. Well, I don't blame you now. I don't blame you. You have never been to even on it here. Talk more of. No! Let me ask you. Imambwaibio Boki 11 guy. Do you know what I have? You think that thing is called gun? Guy, what I have inside street, it is called 14. If you call him 14, everybody gonna know say you know what you talk. 9mm, it will penetrate from front, or peg back. You don't know what I have now. What are you saying? See, let me tell you, Amadi no be waiting to bother me now. No be Amadi be my problem. My problem is why that man that went to the city is not back yet. That's my problem. Or could it be that he has run away, he's no longer interested in my woman? I don't know. In fact, it should better be. Because me, I foresaw it coming. So, may you know.
So, what do you suggest we do now? If I get man.
This guy, what's in the worry you? What's in the worry you? I don't tell you, sir, Amadi no be my problem. How can Amadi go to bother my brain now? I get what's in the bother me now. See, let me tell you, Amadi is not worth my bullet, Mahaba. No, my bullet is expensive. If I catch Amadi, I go kill Amadi with his own gun.
I am happy you're here. I thought for a second that you've abandoned me.
No, you know that's not possible. How can you say a thing like that? You know I can never leave you. I mean, I had a lot to do in the city, so... But guess what?
What?
I'm taking you to the city.
Really?
Yes, we're going to the city together.
Are you serious?
Yes.
So, I am finally leaving this village.
Exactly.
Away from Longinus Reach.
Absolutely.
Out of his sight.
Right. And he's going to be very disappointed. He's going to be very heartbroken when he realizes that you're unreachable.
Hey. Just one thing.
What's it?
I just wish for one thing. I wish my brother was living with me.
It's okay. You'll be fine. Everything is going to be okay. I promise you. Alright?
When are we leaving?
Tomorrow morning. Thank you so much. I don't know how to appreciate you for taking good care of her. Thank you so much. May God bless you.
I don't need any gift or money from you. All I need from you, engineer, is for you to take very good care of her. Huh? She's so special to me. Please, don't you for any reason make her shed tears. You know she has already gone through a lot in life. Please, I don't want her to go through any pain again. Huh? I will continue to pray for you.
Amadi, thank you for your kind words. You're a good man. You have a good soul. Thank you so much.
Mr. Maiden, thank you. Thank you for being nice and understanding and very accommodating. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything.
You're welcome.
So, Mr. Madi, I have good news. I'll be going to the city with her. The doctor asked me to come with her. Yes, she needs to be examined, and that way we can find out what the problem is.
You don't mean it? Hey! Thank you so much. May my God bless you.
That's fine.
Thank you so much. I can't wait for her to begin her
I
sight.
feel the same way. I'm doing everything humanly possible to ensure that she sees again.
By the grace of God, she will see.
Okay.
So, what do I offer you? I have the soup and palm wine. Which one do I offer you? Pepper soup. I should put agidi. Like two.
So you like pepper soup?
I do.
Are you serious?
I do.
I didn't know.
What's out this interior, guy? What's out interior? Calabanda now. Move it! Keep it on! Hey! Amadi! Amadi, where is she?
She has gone.
Amadi, where is she?
I just told you now that she has gone.
She has gone to where?
She has gone back to the city.
Eh?
Her man came back yesterday and took her away to the city, where you can never ever set your eyes on her again.
If one of this guy fuck go up now. One of the sister, this guy don't fuck up now. Amadi, where is my woman?
I am not lying to you. She has gone to the city.
Amadi, where is my woman? Where is my woman? Amadi! Where's the garrison to come for this man? Where's the garrison to come for this man? Amadi, where's my woman? Where's she there? Shh, Amadi! You get reducing it to your lowest time now. Vote on this man! Vote on this man now! Vote on this man! Try to use your sixth sense to tell me what is in front of us. I said sixth sense.
It's staircase.
Okay, careful. Go up. Go up. Go up. One step up. Up. Okay. Are you okay? Don't rush now. I'm right here for you. What?
Where are we?
You're in my house.
Really?
Yes.
It feels
different.
Peaceful.
Just like you. Listen, don't worry. Very soon you would regain your sight, so you can see this beautiful house I have brought you to see. Is that okay?
I can't wait. I can't wait.
I know. I'm coming. Okay, turn around. Okay, tell me what we have in front of us. Ah, don't touch it with the stick. Okay, let's go. Careful. Did you enjoy your meal?
Of course I did.
Right.
Did you prepare it?
Oh yes, I prepared the food myself. I mean, I don't have a cook or chef, so I do the kitchen chores myself.
Wow.
Yeah.
You are such a good cook.
Really? Thanks for the compliments.
Just like my father. My father was equally a good cook. I envied his cooking skill.
Oh.
And Ugonna as well. Ugonna was a good cook.
Oh, Ugonna too, huh?
Yes.
Speaking of Ugonna, I think I miss him a lot. I do. I mean, something tells me that he is in a happy place. He is actually smiling down on you. He is watching over you. And he is happy with you. And I'm very excited you left that village. Don't you think Ugonna will be happy with you for leaving the village?
every breath I draw from my lungs yearns for him.
Right.
I wish I could turn back the hands of time.
Unfortunately, you can't. Yeah. He's in a better place.
I know. I don't know what I've done to deserve you.
Ujuka, I should be the one saying that to you. Because I don't know what I have done to deserve you. You're like a diamond. You shine so bright. Do you know that? You're very beautiful. You're very light-skinned. Oyibo. Oh, sorry. Did I hurt you?
No, it's fine.
You okay? So, I brought you to my room for you to feel very comfortable. I want you to relax. Okay? And feel very comfortable. This is your house. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Please don't go. The night is cold and lonely. Please, stay with me.
I'm here.
Please.
I'd love to, but I'd rather wait for your sight to be restored. Okay? I want my face to be the first thing you see when you wake up in the morning, and my face to be the last thing you see before you go to bed at night.
I love you.
I love you too. You okay? Alright.
Tina.
Yep.
So, Eric is back in town and you didn't tell me.
What do you mean Eric is back in town?
Yes, I saw him.
No, Eric is not in town.
I saw him myself.
You mean? Eric came back and he didn't bother to call me to let me know that he's in town.
Are you trying to say you didn't know he was back in town?
No, I'm not aware.
There's something definitely wrong somewhere.
Angie, I told you. But you never believed me. I told you that Eric is cheating on me. I mean, Eric is seeing another woman. I can feel it. I have these strong feelings that Eric is seeing another woman. I'm scared.
Look, don't sound like that. I think you should go to his house and find out why he came back to town without calling you. Maybe he was trying to call you and then I saw him first.
It's okay. I will have to go.
Yeah,
and God help me if I find that bitch that wants to take my money away from me. Eh? I will shred her into pieces.
No, you won't do that. You're a woman and you need to protect your pride. Look, if Eric decides to dump you today, I'm sure you'll move on. You're a fine girl. Okay? So you don't have to go and fight any woman because of a man. So I'm confused. Don't worry, just go there first. Go to the house first, okay? Just let me know.
Babe, are you okay? Sure? Okay, I have to quickly get ready. We're going to the hospital as soon as possible. Alright?
Okay.
You want something to eat?
I'm fine.
You're sure? Alright, I'll be right back.
Okay. Who is there? Who is there? Who is there?
And who are you?
Well done, ma. I am Mr. Eric's...
Oh, sorry. I heard voices.
Yes, Eric. Who is she?
Eric, honestly, I have examined her. We have lots of work to do on her. Lots.
Really?
I knew it. I knew it was going to be a fruitless attempt.
Hey, what do you mean by that? Babe. It's okay.
My dear, don't talk like that. Okay? You are going to get your sight back again after passing through due process.
Doctor, when you talk about due process, do you mean the surgery?
Exactly. So that she can regain her sight again. It's possible.
Really?
Yeah. But again, it's on 50-50 basis. It's either she regains her sight or...
Doctor,